In the previous videos, I showed you how to add a picture library to your site. I also showed you how to add and configure the Promoted Links app. Most likely, you want the Promoted Links tiles to be on the front page of your site. Right now, though, the Promoted Links are not showing up on the home page. If I click on Home, they are not there. If I look at Site Contents and click on the Promoted Links app, here are the navigation tiles I created. So the final step is to get these tiles onto my home page. I'm clicking on Home to get to the home page of my site. And first of all, I really don't want the news feed or the document web parts on this site, so I'm going to remove them. I'll click on Edit to begin editing the page, and then I can click on the drop-down menu and choose Delete for the web part. I'll do that for the Documents web part as well. So now I have a blank home page for my site. Now this is a 2-column layout. I can add web parts inside these blank columns. I'll click on this left column and I want to insert a web part. I'll click on the Insert tab, click on Web Part, and choose Promoted Links. I'll click on Add, and now I can see my promoted links, which are pulling through to the home page from my Promoted Links library. I'll click Save, and now I have a great navigation tool added to my site. And again, I configure these icons and the links in the Promoted Links app. And remember, you can edit this web part. Let's say I don't want the title Promoted Links at the top. I'll click on Edit to edit the page. And in this drop-down, I'm choosing Edit the Web part. I'll click on Appearance, and maybe I want it to read Quick Links. Promoted Links to me sounds a little bit confusing. I can do that. Just change the title and click Apply and click on Save. What if I don't want a title at all? Click on Edit to edit the page. Use the drop-down menu to edit the web part. Choose Appearance, and under Chrome Type, choose None. Choose OK, and click on Save. And that's how you add the Promoted Links app to your SharePoint homepage.